How's it going, everybody? A couple nights ago, a buddy of mine and I got together and we did some coyote hunting. We had a really successful night. We got together and we made it happen. So the first set, I just wanted to give you guys a lowdown on it. We got there, we called for about 25-30 minutes. We had a pair of coyotes come running in. They circled downwind of the call, stayed behind a hill. We didn't get any shots on those two. They turned around, booked it up towards the woods, and I took my buddy's call. He's still getting used to it, so he wasn't quick to react. So took his remote from him quick and turned on Tony Tebby Border Wars, and we had a third coyote pop out of the woods and come straight for us. The next video shows what happened. Hope you enjoy.
Unless you can take them. If you can take them, he stops. Woo! Take them. -2. I hit him.
As you can see, that first set wasn't very successful. We called in coyotes. When the one that gave us a shot came in, my buddy pulled the trigger on it and his rifle went click. So I pulled the trigger, mine did the same thing, and we both had to clear some stoppages and some issues that we had. Quick got the guns back in the fight. Got a shot off at that coyote as he was taking off, and I hit him. He did a spin for a little bit, as you saw, and he took off towards the woods, and we never found a drop of blood. We never found him again. So you can't win them all, but at least I know I landed a hit. Second spot that we went to is a spot that I've had for just over a year now. I've hunted it probably half a dozen times, and I haven't seen a single coyote. I know that they're out there, though. So I told my buddy, I said, play with your call, figure out what sounds you like, just play with it, kind of get a feel for it. So he started playing with it and turned around and looked behind us, and sure enough, there's a pair standing in the wood line. Neither of us could see them with our rifles, and they were through the woods in the next field over, which we were able to hunt. I snuck up around with my thermal, I was able to quick pull a shot off, and you can see what happened here. Short, simple, and sweet. That's how we like them. He didn't move an inch. Second one we didn't get a shot off at, but you didn't get to see him anyways. This third set's pretty important to me. I had a landowner reach out a couple weeks ago, and he had a coyote problem that he wanted some help with. He witnessed a coyote kill his dog in front of his house a few weeks back, and he had a vendetta against them. So he called me up, and I went out there, looked at the property, talked to him, told him I'd be out to help out any way I possibly could. So we made it a point to get out to this piece of property. We set up for about 15 minutes, and we were just getting ready to pack it up when this coyote came in. Watch what happened next.
You want to take him? Yeah. Let me take it. Sorry, I had to.
That coyote didn't go very far at all. That's how we like it. I was going to let my buddy take that shot, but I sensed some hesitation in the coyote, like he was getting ready to turn around and book it, and I wasn't going to let that one go. That was probably the best phone call I have ever made, was to call that landowner, let him know that I believe I helped with his coyote problem. He's fairly certain that that is a coyote that he witnessed kill his dog, and I have never had such an emotional experience in my life with somebody over just hunting a coyote, hunting an animal for them. So he couldn't have been more grateful, and that reminded me of just why we do this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good night.